What a deeply beautiful and whimsical piece that brought so much joy and whimsy into my heart and into my face and laughter. It really caught me by surprise. I spent the entire time being like, oh, I don't want to take my phone out because I don't want to destroy and miss what's happening. And then every time I was like, oh, it's okay. It's probably never going to get better after what I just saw. And then every scene after that continued to be fantastic and amazing. Yeah, a really beautiful, whimsical time. Brought me so much joy.
We have been absolutely delighted to have come alongside with Music Theatre Wales to help present their beautiful street art opera as part of the Newport Fringe Festival. It's been stunning. It's been absolutely stunning tonight. Just watching these mesmerised faces. People are like, oh no, opera's not for me. Suddenly just absolutely transfixed. I am buzzing.
I thought it was magical, just the way seeing it massive on the building in the night. I've never seen anything like it. And I've never seen any opera before. I'm not sure I really knew anything about it. And I think it's so nice to have such a sort of short introduction because people might not want to sit down for a whole kind of 2 or 3 hour show, but they'll come watch something for 10 minutes. Yeah, it definitely made me more interested in it. And I think I really, really enjoyed the visuals as well. There was a scene about people were kind of walking out of shops that just said they sold stuff with their heads chopped off. And it was quite weird, and I'm guessing it was some sort of anti-consumerist thing. But it was very, very cool.
I was very moved, actually. They are both incredibly beautiful pieces of work. The resonance with Sam and kind of that self-doubt is something a lot of women go through, and to hear her kind of expressing how she has managed to find a sense of purpose and space and explore who she is really beautiful. Obviously Sam is a local artist, so it's really beautiful to see this piece in her home city.
Hi, I'm Sam Hussain, the co-creator of Rahmat, and I'm also the main performer in there, and I've also sung in the Urdu language. I just feel really proud for this to be shown in my hometown. I believe the feminine voice is a very powerful voice that needs to be shared and heard, and this is definitely part of the journey, and this is just the beginning for Muslim creatives from Newport.
Seeing them on this massive backdrop here and being in that moment, in that crowd of people all experiencing that was really special.